Hello everyone, I hope you're all having a great day, and I have a couple new multi-tools to look at. So let's look at the first one. We have a Shieldon. I don't think there's anything else on there. Oh, here we go. I'll zoom in, otherwise my old phone is not going to work. There we go. So let's take a look at it. Has a ring here. I guess you'd call that a ring to put a lantern on it, or I don't think you'd want to put this on a keychain. It's kind of heavy. And we do have locks on this one, on both sides. So let's see what we got. We have a blade, kind of a Tonto style blade. Is there a blade edge on both sides? Yep. And we have a saw. Looks like it has some nice teeth on there. What else do we have? We have a can opener and a bottle opener. And here we go. There's a screwdriver file. Not sure what that part's for. And we have a scissors. And that's all we have on this one. Let's put some of this away and see how the scissors works. If I can pull it back. Oh. Hard to do this on camera and look through the lens. And check out the scissors a minute. Looks like it works pretty good. Let's see if I have a piece of paper. I'll check it out. Seems to cut pretty good. All right. Let's put that away. Oh, I forgot to mention that Shieldon is 12 bucks on Amazon. So next up we have the Workman 18-in-1 mini pliers with sheath, blue. Has a very nice sheath. Very nice. Piece for your belt to go through, or a strap, but nice sheath. And this one runs around 20, and it really gets very good ratings on Amazon. So we actually have a pocket clip on this one. And we have lockouts again, both sides. And let's open it up. Very good spring on this one. Needle nose pliers. And let's look at some of the stuff on here. There we got a saw blade. And what's on this side? And this is all new to me because I haven't even looked at it yet. We have a file on here. There we go, file. Diamond file, actually. I do remember reading that. And it's got a lot of jimping on there. Nice file. And I really do like some of this Work Pro gear. Come on, camera. And it looks like we have another scissors and a flat driver or a pry bar, a can opener, and what else do we have? Oh, here we go. I thought it has to have 18 tools. Well, let's see what they are. So we have the Phillips And it looks like we have 2 different Phillips on there. So there's a smaller. Is that a Phillips or a Torque head? I'm not sure. And then we have this little, like, pry bar. It's almost like a gut hook. That's different. So there we go. I'll give you some dimensions on this one. So between the handle blades there, open, is supposed to be 5.74 inches. This thing weighs 275 grams. And that's, yeah, 18 in 1. All right. Now we got that out of the way with the multi-tools, because I do like multi-tools. I am going to tell you, because I know some of you are new, and I will be doing a giveaway at 3K. Oops, sorry. I just want to show you what will be in it. So I am going to do some EDC pouches like this and this. And what I do is I fill them up with all kinds of little stuff, like little first aid kits, flashlights, fire starter, all kinds of stuff like that. Just a little bit of everything. I don't want to make this too long, but I will be giving away a couple knives for sure. We'll see how many, but 3 of these for sure. One of them will be this Riot fixed blade. This one's full. And the other 2, I don't have a box. I have the boxes, but I don't have them right by me. One will be this Extouche. Can't remember the model of it. It is 14C steel. And it runs around 55 bucks. Button lock. Another button lock, and this is the Finesso Cobra. So that's just a couple things. I will do some Wyoming swag, and for my rock people, I will be doing some rocks. So that's just going to make this a short one on a couple multi-tools and what to expect for my subscribers when I hit 3K. All right, y'all have a great day. See you soon. Thanks for watching.